guys, let me know if you can hear okay. Just drop me a thumbs up or a like or something. Just let me know you can hear. Frankie, Paolo, uh, just let me know the sound is good. All right. It's been a, yep, all good, fantastic. Hey Peter, hey Frankie, hey Paolo. Let's have a look. Gold is popping. So still not able to trade this yet. I mean, to be fair, look. Gold's at highs, momentum's to the upside. Um, if we get a close above this on this 15 stroke 30-minute candle, I will be looking for a momentum trade long. And on the flip side, I'm going to be looking for shorts underneath here. So I want buys above 2712.9. Let me just check. News Forex. No news, so no major news. Another quiet day of news. So no major news. Sells below 2708.6. All right, we're cooking. Right, how's everyone's week been? Let me know how your week's been. Let's uh, let's have a look, see how the week's been. Bring up. I'm just gonna log in, and we can take a look at the. Okay, so currently standing for today, £546 and 33 pence in profit. We have £11,130 and 98 pence for the week and 23,020.69 for the month. So let's just that's from Social Trader Tools. So let me just have a quick look while we're waiting for these candles to close out. Is it this one? Yeah. So let's go to account history. So today 546.33 custom period from so the 14th. Let's have a look. 11,130.98. Decent week. Decent week. And if we look for the month from the first, look, you'll see some big losses in here. It's not all sunshine, roses, and unicorns. You'll see them. Let's just move it. Chunky loss there, another chunky loss there. Small loss, small loss. Chunky loss. Decent, decent. Big loss there, 2.5k. Little loss there. But you can see, and up 23k for the month. So look, consistency is what we're looking for, and consistency is what will generate you profits. Taking huge wins and huge losses isn't necessarily going to get you there. It's going to come down to success rate, average win, average loss, and your discipline to succeed. So, like I said, guys, everything that I do here is not financial advice. It is just the way that I trade. And why is my coffee not filling up? While we're just waiting for gold to close this in the next 6 minutes, let me know how your week has been. Give me some stats, give me percentages, give me values. Based on where you're at, how do you want it to improve? What do you need to improve? Is it trade management? Is it psychology? Um, is it strategy? What is it you need to work on? What's your biggest flaw? Or what's your biggest obstacle? Right, the hell is going on? So we're getting ready for a buy here, guys. Getting ready for a buy. Now, I was having a session with someone this morning, and what should have been a positive trade and a positive day, I know has turned out to be a positive trade and maybe two negative trades. So what I want to make sure is that if you are day trading and you're running a similar kind of process to what I'm doing, then only manage one trade at a time. Don't take a second trade unless your first trade is risk-free. Okay? So too many people will jump into lots of trades at once and it's just going to cause you a lot of headaches. Finally, coffee's nearly ready. Just in time for the candle to close. Oliver, a winning week. Lovely. That's winning. Is that a winning week or winning is, are you winning or is that what you want to be doing? Whoa. Right. Tell me what you're looking to achieve, guys. Come on. Do you work in percentages? Do you work in monetary value? What do you work in? You need to win more. Don't we all? We all. So what process are you going to put in place to make sure that you win more? Future Frankie, good session this morning, but you should have walked away from that with one trade, one win. You know, you'll hear me say, and I'll call out trades, but I won't trade all of them. And I will work weeks being so, working more on your strategy. Okay, cool. That's what I like to hear. Okay, 3 minutes. Uh, mm, 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 mm. No, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like buying up here, but I'm gonna be. I have changed my trading risk management since London training course, and it's been working better. Taking profit at TP1 and closing off for now. Yeah, okay, lovely. All right, well done, Anna. All right, this is gonna be a momentum trade, guys. We need to close above this level. If we close above this level, I'm gonna be hitting the buy up here. So what's the high on this? 2714.08. Yep, that's fine there. So we've got about exactly 1 minute and a half, so 90 seconds to go. Let's see if we can finish the week off with another blue trade. One minute and 3 seconds. So all we need it is to close above this black line at 2712.50. Don't want to push too high and just move that out of the way. We have 45 seconds left. 11. Stop it. 2714.27. That's okay. 24 seconds. So this is where we're going to have to be pretty quick because we're going to do open trade. Oh, you. Open trade and TP1 is going in. All right, so oh, look at that. I got triggered instantly. Spreads got me, but let's add new. So I literally gone straight in this. Uh, I'm just going to change the percentage. I'm going to take off 60% at TP1. Uh, just because we're up 0.8% on the day. When I say up 0.8%, I mean gold is up 0.8% on the day. So it's already moved a good chunk. Uh, if I see this up 20, 30 points, or 2 pips, I should say, I'm going to bring my stop right underneath this low. I'm going to be super aggressive here. These elevated prices, I want to keep trading with the trend, but at the same point, I don't want to hand profits back. Uh, Go on, pop. I want to see 30. There we go. Okay, so all right, stop loss at entry point. Stop loss to entry. Break even. It was 8 pips up. Let's go. Bring it down. Now we can't lose anything now. And there we go. TP1, guys. Job's done. Move your stop just a little bit in profit to accommodate for any 10 pips. 10 pips is TP1 always. I've put TP2 at 250. I've been a little bit greedy actually, but we'll see. If I see 200, it's been a strong week, so I'm fine. I'm not going to change my rules. I'm going to bank half at 200 as well. If I see, in fact, I've got time to change it. Stick to the plan. Not going to be greedy on a Friday. Not going to be greedy. Let's keep it blue. And there we go. TP2, guys. TP2. Let's just keep the profit ticking. So throw some. So where are we for today? It's just custom period. Okay, so we've done just over £1,000 today. Lovely jubbly. Joined at the right time. Here he is, the working man of the week. Been away, trade fairs all week, and pops in at the right time. Nicks 20 pips. Thank you very much. Right, how much we got left running? We've got 1.4 lots left running. I'm just going to close half out now, and I don't care. I'm just going to leave a little bit to go. So that's we just we've done 1,134 for the day. Guys, hit some likes. I want to know who's banked profit. Who's made some profit today? First trade of the week. I bet you've not said that for a number of years. Let me just see. Okay, so trade management. I'm going to be super aggressive with this because I just want to see where it's going. If if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But because we've pulled back now, if we break the highs, I'll move my stop underneath the low of this 5 minute candle. And I'll keep doing that, just trailing it on the fives right now. It's Friday. I'm kind of done for the day. Um, so if we break the high of this candle here, we're just going to push the stop up underneath the low of this candle. Yep. So come on, guys. I want to see some big likes in this arena right now. This is we've had one losing day in this since we've been doing live streams. So like I said, right, we just pushed the highs. So let's move it underneath the low of that candle. We're not locking much in. The damage has already been done. We've already made the cash. We're just letting every time the market pulls down and breaks the high of the previous candle, we're just going to move the stop up a little bit. You know, the little bit we've got left running right now isn't going to make much difference to the stats for the day or the week. But if we do get a bit of a runner, then fantastic. I mean, this this take profit is just a theoretical. It's a number wherever. We're never going to get there unless the 5 minute chart pulls back and keeps breaking the highs and respects the previous candle's lows. That's the only way. So I'm just going to manage it on the 5 minute chart. And we are out? No, held in, just held in, just. But it's been a 3, 4, 5, 626. It's going to be about 650 quid trade, 670 quid trade by the time we're done. There we are, done. Job's done. Right, let's have a look. So we'll go back to trading view now, just because that's where I like to do analysis. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone right now. Peter Armand is out, first trade in for the week and done. Right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq, see if there's any room to pop here. To be fair, let's just pop this in here. Pop next level. Okay, we are just gonna see if no, I don't like the longs here, so get rid of this one. Okay, so I would look for longs if we get a close above here. So we're going to put, okay, so buys above 20,366.8. Let's call it 367. Buys above. Yeah, so that's in. Um, Guys, just let me know how many pips you banked, please. Frankie, hope you took another winner with me there. That'll be 2 for 2 today. These early morning mentoring sessions come in handy, eh? What do we finish up with, guys? We could put 20 pips for Paolo. Well done, mate. Well done. Let's have a look. What did I get? 27. So that was 10. Oh, in fact, uh, let's have a look. See, uh, David, Mr. Booth, are you in the live stream, Mr. Booth? I've just seen a message come through. Peter Cole, 20 pips. Right. Who's avocado with 12 pips? Who's avocado? Well done. 12 pips. Uh, David, how are you doing, bud? I just seen your message. I will reply afterwards. Uh, Session's always great. Thanks, Frankie. 20 pips for Mr. Lee Crooks. Well done, Lee. Right. After you've taken a trade and after you've had a win, how do you feel? How do you feel? Right. So I'm just gonna. This trade, the trade I've just taken hasn't been added to my stats, but look, I'm just gonna show you. I don't know what screen that is. Maybe this one. There you go. So look, current month without that last trade is going to be about 16.5% now. So we're up 16.08% for the month. So happy days. 16% on the 18th day of the month. So in terms of trading days, we're over 1% a day. Long may it continue, guys. This month has been super, super disciplined. We're currently sitting at 81.73% success rate. That's not for the month, that's for the entirety of the account. Okay? So, very, very happy days. Long may it continue. But I got a funny feeling where we currently see trading broke my feelings. I don't know how to react for both win and losses. That's not a problem. So, okay, who is that? I wanna. Can you put a name to Avocado? The person who said trading broke my feelings. I don't know how to react for both win and losses. Who's that? I want to put a name to you. Phenomenal, lovely, Peter Almond, great. Okay, great after a win. Okay, so do you want to know why that is? So it's a basically dopamine is being released. Now, that's a good thing because you feel good, you feel great. The downside is whenever you've got dopamine being released, Terry, you're not a member, are you? So Terry, welcome to the live stream. I've seen you in for a few days now, so welcome to the free online sort of US Open sessions. So nice to see you, and thanks for turning up again. Appreciate your support, and hope you're enjoying the sessions. So the thing about dopamine, it's good and it's bad. It's good because it makes you feel good, euphoric, you feel on top of the world. The downside is because of that dopamine kick and that release, your natural reaction is you're going to want to trade again. So the thing to do is take a trade. If you have a win, just walk away, go for a walk, take 10 minutes away. Let's say you took a trade on a 15-minute chart. Go away, walk. Wait for the next 30-minute candles close. See how you feel. If the setup's still there, then you can place another trade if you want, but walk away from this. Chidi mistakenly clicked the sell button instead of the buy. Now, this is why we do pending orders. Just stay with it, Chidi, to be fair. I do think we could potentially have a. Let's see how the hour candle closes. If the hour candle closes back below the level, then I'll be looking to sell myself. But preference would be we can see the market underneath 27.08. Yeah, always use pending orders. Don't go with live market executions. Why do you think we shouldn't use market execution orders? Why do you think we shouldn't use market execution orders? Any idea, guys? Why shouldn't we use market execution orders? Okay, not thought out and 50-50 gamble to avoid mistakes like the one I made. Okay, so the main reason is if you're using market execution orders, you're reacting based on impulse and emotion as opposed to, as Peter said, not thought out. See, you can think out a plan, but if you think out a plan, then it's already planned, and therefore you don't need to do a market execution. So what we do is we plan the trade. So 6 minutes before the candle closed at 124, I told you exactly what I was going to do. I said if this candle closes above 2712.9, I'm going to buy the break of the high as a momentum entry. And I had my line set on the chart. As soon as it closed, I hit open order, and then we got triggered, and the market did whatever it's going to do. Yeah? So we plan the trade and we trade the plan. So when you do market execution, you're again doing something on the basis of dopamine, excitement, and emotion. It's all impulsive. So that's something you need to eradicate. If you're doing any of those things, eradicate it. And let's say you wanted to do a market entry buy. I'd just say to you, wait for the candle to close. And if it's still a setup, then place a pending order. If it's already gone, you've not lost anything, but you've not made anything. There's a great saying, I'd much rather be a pilot on the floor wishing I was in the air than a pilot in the air wishing I was on the floor. So much, much better to miss a trade than get in one you don't want to be in. It's my 2 pence of wisdom today for you. Frankie, There's a golden nugget. I'd rather be a pilot on the floor. I'd rather be a pilot on the floor wishing I was in the air than a pilot in the air wishing I was on the floor. There you go. Write that one down. I know you like these odd little gems I come out with for every now and then. Okay, this is looking good for sales. But we've got 10 minutes, so a lot can change in 10 minutes, but I'm liking this for sales. Right, what's the plan for the weekend, guys? You got a busy weekend, quiet weekend, football, horse racing, kids parties. That tends to, this is my weekends now up until Christmas. Now, the short was looking appealing, but it will only look appealing if we see a rejection of the 2712 on the hourly candle. Okay? If we close above it, but we've got a big top wick, I'm staying away. I'm going to be kind of done for the week if we get a close above and that. I don't care if we see a big sell-off around 4 o'clock as London fix comes in. But that's something, if you want to look for that trade later, guys, then watch for a break below 2708.6, around 330, 345, anywhere below here. Then we could just see a little bit of a correction in gold. But yeah, this month is going to be my best trading month for years. Why this one for sell? If you look at all candles today after a sell, it moves up. No, I wouldn't sell this candle. I wouldn't sell this candle, but I'd want to sell if we break under this 30-minute level. Because look, basically you've got resistance, resistance, candle breaks up, creates a new high, and each time, yes, it has sold off, it's then bought back. But this time we've failed at the same price. Here we've broken the new highs. So then if we come back below here, this is a false break. But I wouldn't sell it in here. I'd wait for a break of this level because that would give us a change in cycle. If we see you got high, high, new high, and if we look at the lows, low, low, and then if this was to come down like this, we've now got a lower low. Change in cycle. Good question. All right. You are not on trading view. Ah, shit. Thanks, Anna. Right. Let's let's go back to let's go back to drawing what I was drawing. Thank you, Anna. So as I previously said, Mark take two. You got a high here, failed high, new high. Then we have the lows, a high low. So if the market come down through here, we have a cycle, continue that move down. Okay, so that's why I would look for sells underneath here. We've got multiple rejections at 27.12, and now it's a matter of waiting for the market to re-establish maybe a short-term bear move. But hopefully that made sense in how you can see how support and structure had been formed and where we'd look for the next directional move. And we do have clear space below 2708. So you couldn't hear me. Hello, hello, hello. Sound's coming through the mic. Yeah, I can see it on the equalizer. So, okay, thanks, Anna. So this is looking good. I would even look at selling the low of this candle, to be fair. I'm just going to wait for this candle to close. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this candle to close. I won't trade the flip. No, I won't trade the flip. I'll trade below this. So let's oh my God. So look at something like that. Now that order isn't placed. I'm just holding it there. I'm waiting for the hourly candle to close. Right. Okay, we've got 3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes to go. What's that? Now that 30-minute candle is a lovely 30-minute candle. Look at this, it's taken the high. If we close below the low, that's a significant 30-minute candle. So we've got 2.5 minutes. No, 2 minutes. 2 minutes to sit tight. I'm just gonna see what the older stats are coming in at. It's still not reloaded yet. So we've had one trade so far, guys. Banked to roughly 20 to 25 pips, I think everyone got. Um, so we traded this move here. Now we're waiting for a potential short. We've got 1 minute, 20 seconds to wait. How many of you are thinking about just selling now as it's broken that low? All right. Okay, that's 1:59 now. 1 minute to go. Forty seconds. I'm loving this new Mr. Almond. Days. He's like a born again trader. Okay, 13 seconds. Let's see what happens. This looks good for me. Okay. All right, orders in. I've placed it below these lows. The low 27. Hold on, I just need to check. 27, 08, 01, 27, 07, 95. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy with that. So my order is 0.13 below, so basically just under 1.5 pips below the low. Because of this candle, I'm gonna sell and I'm gonna push my order up. So the low of that candle is 2709.19, 2709.19. So let's put TP in. Yeah, let's take 60% off. Let's bring that down. Okay, so order is in underneath the engulfing candle low. TP1, 10 pips with a 60% of the position coming off at TP1. Now, because we've had a few winning trades, I'm going to extend TP2. Okay, that's it. Let's see where we go, guys. I will use the 70% rule here. And the reason I'm going to use the 70% rule here is because of this bit of structure. My bias is that because of this candle and the way the market's forming, I think we're going to fall off a cliff. But because we've got a little bit of structure here that we have to get through, I'm going to move my stop loss to entry at 7 pips up. Okay, at 7 pips up, I'm going to apply the 70% rule. And we're live. All right, watching for that 70% rule. That was close, but no cigar. Hmm. I'm sorry, it went 6 pips up. I was a bit quick on the trigger there. So I'm stopped out at break even, guys. Bit quick on the trigger. Just want to see what damage that. Oh, that's a bit sneaky. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to break this area. So the copy trade that actually, so on one of the accounts that I copy, it actually cost me 200. So in fact, guys, I'm not going to do any more trades. I'm going to cancel this, but I do like it. I do like it. That should have, I think, yeah, you should have hit TP1 if you took that, guys. Do you hit TP1, guys? Let me know if you hit TP1. Should have hit 10 pips there. I was just a bit quick on the trigger. It moved 6.5 pips, and I thought it was going to say 7. I hit my stop loss at entry, so I got stopped at break even on my head account. It- well, yeah, look, break even. But this, I think we will pop down here. If you want to take an additional trade, wait for this 15-minute candle to close. But this looks good, guys. It looks good. Well done, team. Hit some. Show me some love, guys. I mean, Christ, we've all you've done is make profit while we've been online. I want to see some. Who's still in the trade? 10 pips for Anna. Well done. So that's 20 pips for Anna on the live stream. How many pips you made, Mr. Almond? How many pips you made, Frankie? Yeah, keep hitting those hearts, guys. Keep hitting those hearts. So, unfortunately, I didn't get anything from that second trade, but we planned it, we executed it, and Peter Cole 10. Well done. Right, don't be greedy, guys. Hit those 20. If it's 20 pips, close half out. Paolo, another 10 pips. Well done, team. Well done. Bravo, bravo. Easy pickings. Hey, Anna, well done. First 10 on the funded account. That actually, uh, um, should be out now. Sorry, one second. Uh, right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna switch off now. I'm gonna dust 30 pip X. Is that Lisa? Is that Lisa coming on with a kiss again? 30 pips for Lisa. Well done, darling. Petter has done 15 pips. Peter's out now. Ah, thanks, Lisa, sharing that love. Well done, team. Well done. 1,250 quid on the funded account in two trades. Lovely. Well done, Peter. That's what we like to hear. So you'll be heading nicely towards your TP, to your profit target. What have you got to attain? 20K? Tony Swag. Who's this? I don't know this name. Tony, well done. 10 pips. Thanks for joining the stream. Who's Tony Swag? Is this a member or is it someone new from the YouTube channel? Okay, I hope you get set up on linking accounts, Peter. All right, buddy. I love how everyone's got different YouTube names. It's brilliant. Staying anonymous. Uh, Trader from Brooklyn, New York. Hey, Tony. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. So, I hope you can understand my northern English accent because I'm not sure subtitles are coming across on live stream, but any questions, let me know. So we've got a few members from Dallas, but I think you are my first from New York. So, or first on the live stream. So welcome, Tony. Look, I'm going to call it a day, guys. I don't think there's any point uh, sticking around. Look, you make your profit, you're done for the day, you come back, you fight another day. Chiddy, 20 pips, well done. Um, Tony, if you want to join the team, check out the website. It'd be lovely to have another trader from across the pond in our community. Um, on that note, guys, listen, take care. Job's done for the day. We don't need to do anything else. I'll see you all Monday. Look at this baby. I think she's gonna drop, but what's you gotta wait. Yeah, hold on. What? How much room have we got down here? 37 pips. You got 3 minutes for this candle to close. If it leaves a little bit of a bottom wick and wicks up, there's 37 pips. Let's just. I'm not placing it yet, but I'm just gonna see what happens because it may just drop too far. If it drops too far, then I'm done. But this is setting up nice. This is what we were looking for, and this is how I wanted to trade it. But unfortunately, I got clipped at break even. I know a lot of you guys took some money. I was a little bit eager on the old 70% rule, but that's protect your profits, guys. Protect your profits. I would hate having 70% rule in play, being able to get out for break even, then hand back my profits from the day. That's not how I would want to finish the day or finish the week. So remember, the best feeling you're going to have is finishing a day positive, finishing a week positive, finishing a month positive. They're the best feelings you're going to have, because you know you've earned cash. And if you finish the week or the month positive, the first thing you have to do is pay yourself something. So make a withdrawal, do whatever it is, take your wife, take your husband, take your kids, uh, or just do something for yourself, but do it. Even if it doesn't matter what it is, if it's $20, 20 quid, £100, whatever it is, take it out and go and do something with the funds. Okay? So I'm just going to wait for 1 minute for this candle. If the next candle wicks up, I'm going to do all exit for 20 pips. If the next candle wicks up, If it doesn't wick up and it just goes straight down, I'm not trading it. We have 4 seconds. So let's see what happens. Needs to wick up before we place the order. What? Oh, I've got the wrong bloody time frame on. There we go. It wicked up. Let's take 70% off at 10 pips. Again, 70% rule I'm going to put in play here. Now, if it comes and tests this area, and then we start to see it turn over, lovely. Just moving the stop. Sorry about the noise in the background. And okay, we roll again. So let's get stop loss at entry. If we All right, broke the low twice now and hasn't pushed. So it triggered us, pushed up, and then it's broken the low again. So let's see what happens. So it's broken the low twice. See if it breaks the low for the third time. This should, if it breaks the low for the third time and then doesn't go, I won't be too keen on holding this one very long. All right, 250. Dad? Wait, I'm on live stream, so I'm on the live stream. So I'm on live stream. So you're just running around screaming. Okay. So I got my dad with me. All right, here we go, guys. Doesn't look like it's gonna be too favorable, but let's closed. Hold on, why is there we go, done. Never mind. So we are gonna be break even for the day. Eight break even for the day. Handed it back. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Things I saw, dopamine, but I like the setup. I take it every time. So I always say trade your setups. Trade your setups always, because there may not be any next week. So look at it on a positive note is We have made money to, we haven't made anything today. Um, on a weekly basis, we're, for the week, we sit at 10,494, and for the month, we sit at 22,384. I still like the setup though. This is really. I'm going to see if it tests this level. I've got to go at 230 though. No, I'm 26 pips. I'm giving it a second chance. So partial TP, 10 pips. So there we go. We are going for it. Take the trades. Take the trades. The setup is there. This is where they say if you're Wayne Gretzky, Michael Jordan, the difference between the greats and the goods, they'll always take their shooting opportunity. They may have taken 10,000 shots. They'll miss so many, but if the opportunity's there, they'll always take the shot. I would love to say that I'm in the same caliber as them, but I'm not. But I want to have I can still have the same mentality, which is if the shot is there, you take it. All right. Why is that bloody moving? There we go. What's happening on the dollar? So euros up, dollars down, cables up 50 points, QE's up 20, CAD's flat. Last trade, last trade, and I'm done. So indexes are opening in 7 minutes. Sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, look at this. We're just looking like it's going to pull back higher. If that's the case, if it doesn't, if it respects this level, then fine. But if we come back within that range where we want it to be short below, then we'll cancel the order. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna wait. In fact, we'll wait 6 minutes because a lot can change in 6 minutes. But look at that. Look at that. Finding the range again. If it comes back in here, we kill it no matter what. So in 5 minutes, I will cancel the order if it stays anything remotely like that. What's happening with the indexes? Ooh, Nasdaq tested the 20,367 level and just came straight off it. Literally straight off it. Hmm. 5 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to wrap it up. So I'm going to finish up break even for the day. Well, tell a lie, £89 down for the day. You can't see my chart. MT4? You can't see it? It's on one of my other screens, Petter. I was just looking over here and I noticed that uh, Nasdaq came right up into this level here. So on TradingView, I've got that drawn in. Now you can see the market literally came straight up, clipped it, and bounced straight off. So let's just see what happens on US Open because pre-market Amex had gained, I don't know, something like 3.5%, and it's already given up those gains already. So let's see where we currently sit and see what happens. Um, so that'll be fine. Yeah, Nasdaq sinking. Well, not really sinking. Once it dropped 60, it's dropped 50 points, 55 points in a few minutes. So the question is, will we see the same thing on gold? Will it follow suit? Uh, this needs to go above the candle high now. Can you see it, Petter? You see the chart? Nasdaq's reversed again. It's back at the level. Okay, market's looking a bit jittery. On that note, guys, yeah, Nasdaq's pushing up. So it tested the level, came straight off, dropped 50 points, and now it's back at it. Lola. What's low? Yes, Lola. So 30 minutes looking pretty bearish. 15's looking bearish. It's all looking good for more downside, to be fair, guys. Um, I I'm literally just going to give it the first 3 minutes of the 30-minute candle, and then I'm going. So, all right, guys. Uh, looks looks good for shorts, but the second it breaks that, what's that? 1 minute gone. Wow, Nasdaq's all over the place. Absolutely all over the place. Right, I'm going to cancel the order. I don't want to sit through this. Um, Orders cancelled, guys. Orders cancelled. Um, I have an appointment with the barbers in 15 minutes. So I will see you Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. Unfortunately, I finished up break even for today. Um, you got to take the trades when you see them. Just, I would say stay out now unless, let me just pull up my analysis screen for you. So I think if you're going to look to short now, you can still trade it underneath the 30-minute now low because there's 20 points up for grabs. I definitely look at closing the whole position should the market come into uh, this price point here. And then at 2700, if we get a close below and a wick up, then you can look to sell again. But I'm done for the day now, guys. Apologies if you followed me on the last trade. Um, where we took a little hit, but onwards and upwards. Have a great weekend, and I'll see. Oh, Peta is Lola. Okay, everyone's got different names on YouTube. Have a great weekend, everyone. An amazing week. I'll look forward to seeing you all Monday. Take care. Bye bye.